Welcome to 85 Bridge Street, unit number 4, a beautiful condo in Salem, Massachusetts. Come check it out.
Are you looking for a beautiful, recently developed condo? Walking distance to the train, restaurants, and shopping, all without the big city price tag? Look no further than 85 Bridge Street, Unit 4 in fantastic Salem, Massachusetts. Located at the gateway of Salem Neck, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo provides unheard-of value in today's real estate market. Fully renovated inside and out in 2018, this top-level home is virtually maintenance-free. Highlights include fantastic natural light, hardwood floors throughout, a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry, a spa-like master suite, and central air conditioning. Off-street parking, a pet-friendly association, and private storage complete this incredible offering. Whether you decide to walk to the beach, to downtown Salem, Salem Common, downtown Beverly, or catch the train to Boston via Salem Station, it's just a short walk away, and you'll have plenty of options to live an enviable lifestyle.
I'm Tom Sheehan of Compass. If you have any questions about this condo, please reach out to me by text, email, or give me a call. Talk to you soon.